Did you know some animals can sense things before they happen? For instance, dolphins can predict storms by changing their swimming patterns. It's fascinating. Elephants have an incredible ability to sense earthquakes from miles away, using their sensitive feet to detect vibrations. And let's not forget about dogs. They can actually detect illnesses like cancer or low blood sugar just by sniffing. Birds are also in tune with nature. They tend to fly lower before sudden weather changes. And then there are cats, who sometimes act strangely before earthquakes. Maybe they know something we don't. Your cat might just be plotting a prophecy of its own.